If you are willing to work with the WordPress environment, we have integration ready for you. So how to use this integration? First of all, you need a project with a domain level. So you need a domain level project. Let's say this is the domain level project, contadu.com, and then you need to synchronize it to WordPress. I will explain you how to add an application into the WordPress. So the first step to connect the NEURON writer to WordPress is to set up in WordPress a password for a NEURON writer application. Please log in your WordPress environment, and in the dashboard you can find the users. Just use a user that you are logged in, and then you can generate a password for application. This means that you can just type like NEURON and just add an application. So this is the application for NEURON. As you can see, this is our password, and this is something that you should copy into the clipboard and just paste it later in NEURON application. In the next step, when you click on the WordPress icon, you will have a configuration menu. In the configuration menu, you have to use your username, and the username is your username. It's exactly the same username that you are using logging to WordPress, and the application password that we just generate. Save project configuration, and that's all. So the next step after you connect your WordPress environment to NEURON writer is to choose if you are willing to import some content and optimize this content, or you are just willing to write the content inside the NEURON writer and export it. It's quite easy to find if you already have a content for a specific topic in your WordPress. You can just do a quick search with a content intelligence, for example, and then you have information about the content intelligence. Those are the elements which are referring to content intelligence. And you can choose any of these blog posts, which can be then, if you click on use, they will be just banded with the selection. And when you select your post, here is my post that I selected, you can or import the content, clicking just here on this button downstairs, import the content, or look how this looks like, how the article looks like, if it's available publicly. So if you have the tag published, it will be available publicly, or if it's a draft, you can edit in WordPress. I will just import content. So this is the content which is imported. As you can see here, we have a content. Here we have a content score for content already. And then I can just work on the content to improve the content according to content score recommendations. And as you can see here, we have a lot of keywords that can be used, a lot of terms that can be used to improve this content. So later, when I improve the content, I can use the same option to export the content, and when I'm exporting the content, I can choose synchronization to existing posts. I can choose if it should be draft or published, and then I can just click on synchronize, and then I will already synchronize the post, which means it will be exported and synchronized with the existing post in your WordPress environment. So basically that's all, and if I would like to have a new post, I can just add a new post. That's all. I think it's quite easy. Let us know how it works for you. Thank you.